what makes Polar so special? It's free and open source, it's intuitive, it's fast, it's optimized. It has a bunch of cool features, I think cool features, and a bunch of cool features coming up. And you have a very simple API. So you have for example, you have a .filter to filter on rows. You have a .select to select columns. This is a data frame that I chose intentionally to be a little bit bigger. So we have 54 million rows, 7 columns. Let's execute this query and let's see how long this, so I have this timer decorator here. Let's see how long this takes for 54 million rows. And this took me under 1 second, 0.3 seconds to it. It has 2 modes. It has a lazy mode and a eager mode. So I think one of the coolest things in Polars are the expressions. Expressions are essentially sets of instructions to transform your data. And usually they take in the data frame, or they always apply on the data frame. You reference usually one or more columns, and then you produce new columns, alter existing columns. But what exactly they're doing depends on the context. Fundamental contexts, fundamental operations that you want to do with your data. The same expressions, and that's why it can be confusing, can produce different outcomes depending on the context. So, for example, this PL call larger 2 can work differently depending on the context. Performance Polars versus DuckDB is a question.
Both are fast. It depends on the query and the data set size. On data that fits into memory, Polars often is a bit faster than DuckDB. If data doesn't fit into memory, DuckDB tends to be faster. We're working on that. We're building a whole new streaming engine. If we're building a new streaming engine, that's our main focus in open source Polars. Other things I'd like to add is extension types.
Thank you.